To write our program using edge detector instructions, we'll first create a new project, open the OB1, and fill in the symbol table as before based on the inputs and outputs we'll use in this program. After saving the table, let's add an SR flip-flop here and address it to MOO. On the output of the flip-flop, we'll add 2 coils and, like before, assign them to the fan and the motor. On the set input of the flip-flop, we'll add an open contact and address it IOO. Then insert a positive edge detector after the contact and address it MO1. On the reset input of the flip-flop, we'll add an open contact, a closed contact, and a negative edge detector. We'll address the open contact MOO, the closed contact IOO, and the negative edge MO2. Let's save and download this to the CPU and see how this works. We see that when both outputs are turned off and the switch is pressed, the signal behind the positive edge detector changes from false to true, which generates a positive edge. The edge detector will then allow the signal to pass, and both outputs will turn on. Now we see the signal behind the negative edge detector is true. When the state of this signal changes to false, a negative edge is generated, and the detector passes the signal to the reset of the flip-flop, turning off both outputs. This is how to write a program that uses edge detection instructions to make a single switch work for both starting and then stopping field components.